Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add more fonts in Google Docs and Slides. Head to docs.google.com or slides.google.com and open a document or presentation, create a new one, or open an existing file. In the editor, look at the top toolbar and find the font dropdown. Click on the font name or the downward arrow next to it. A drop-down menu appears showing a list of fonts. At the top of this drop-down, click More Fonts. This opens a new window with hundreds of fonts to choose from. You've got several ways to find what you want. There's a search box in the top left corner. Type in specific font names or search by style like serif, script, or mono. To the right of the search box are filter dropdowns. The scripts dropdown filters by language or writing system. The show dropdown filters by category: display, handwriting, monospace, serif, or sans serif. The sort dropdown changes the order by popularity, alphabetical, date added, or trending. Once you've found fonts you like, click on each one to add it. You'll see a check mark appear next to the font name, and it'll show up in your My Fonts list on the right side of the window. You need to click each font individually. There's no option to select multiple at once. If you change your mind about a font, click the X next to it in the My Fonts list to remove it. When you're happy with your selection, click the OK button at the bottom left corner of the window. The window closes, and your new fonts are now added. To use them, go back to the font dropdown in the top toolbar, click the arrow, and scroll through the list. Your newly added fonts are now there and ready to use. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Any fonts you add in Docs or Slides automatically appear in all your Google Workspace apps, including Sheets. So if you add a font in Slides, it'll be available the next time you open Docs. The fonts stay in your menu permanently, so you only need to add them once and they'll be available for every future document. You can repeat this process anytime to add more fonts as you need them.